Hi, I'm Angela Martin and welcome to number 31 Butler Drive in Kuranda. Today we're going to take just a little teeny bit of extra time to explore this gorgeous high-set Queenslander, large supersized family home sized high-set Queenslander, and it's on about an acre of really pretty rainforest land. Now, with all the travel and movement restrictions that we have in Australia at the moment, it is really important that you feel, oh, listen to those kookaburras. It's really important that you feel as if you've had a proper inspection. And of course, you can watch this film as many times as you like and still buy with confidence in the privacy of your very own home. So let's go in and explore. Before we go on the ground level, we're going to head upstairs to the main living area. You're going to fall in love with it. Welcome to, as I said at the beginning, this super-sized Queenslander. And you know, when you're inside, you actually can't hear those kookaburras. And I bet if you're in the city at this point in time, there's no way that you would be hearing kookaburras. It's absolutely fabulous. And of course, the wildlife in Kuranda, as you probably are well aware, is just amazing. So we're going to do a little bit of orientation. I did say we're going to do a little bit extra detail. So the house, as you come up, you'll notice that the outside of the house is looks like weatherboard, but from a maintenance point of view, it's actually hardy plank and it's steel. But look at the space. 2 living areas, dining area, outdoor area. We've got master bedroom over here, main bathroom, another room which is currently used as an office, and another room through there. So upstairs we've actually got 2 bathrooms and 3 bedrooms. And of course, love kitchens. This is a really big kitchen, and you don't see this very often, but we've got really gorgeous clean surfaces that are tiled, and it just gives it a real organic feel and a real rustic look. I think it looks fabulous. It's like a cottagey kitchen, and of course we've got wood, stainless steel sinks, little drinking water out of that gorgeous little tap there, room for a microwave, plenty of space for a dishwasher, and of course a fridge and a pantry. Gas cooking, absolutely brilliant. So when you've finished your delightful cooking, you can either come in here, magic big space for big dining table, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 chairs. So that's big. But when you're in this area, and if you're sitting on that side, I don't know if you can see this, but the view out to the rainforest is just glorious. And of course you can either have your dinner here, having that gorgeous rainforest view, or we can sit out in the balcony, but we'll go out there in a little minute. When you come through this way, you really get a sense of the space. So, you know, telly, it's not even a telly nook, it's actually a really big television or just relaxing area. And then of course we've got this brilliant cozy spot for the fire. Now in Kuranda, it does actually get cool enough in the winter, chilliness, just to sit and put your little feet up, put your flannelette PJs on, only a couple of months of the year, but it really is quite gorgeous just to see those flames. So have a quick look in this bedroom and in that bedroom, and I'll meet you in the master ensuite. And one of the things that you'll notice when you actually come into, well, this is the master bedroom, but all the areas go out onto the balcony. So master bedroom has got views out to the balcony, and of course the gorgeous rainforest out the back, lying in bed. The living room has got walkway out into the back balcony, and as we mentioned, the actual dining room as well. So it is plenty big enough for a huge, great big bed, plenty of space either side, and a fabulous bathroom with a bidet. And again, you don't see that very often, so go have a quick look. I'm going to meet you out there, and then we're going to head out to that balcony and downstairs. And this is the gorgeous little balcony that we spoke about, just where we can see from each of the rooms in the house. And it's shaded, which means that if we have 30 degrees on the thermometer, we can still be out here and enjoy gorgeous relaxation space. Now, two ways to go under the house, ground level, massive area. We've got stairs down the back. It takes us down into the garden. And then of course there's the front steps, which is the way that we'll head back. But before we do, just have a beautiful look at the sun on those tropical plants. And we've got a seasonal creek just down the back, and it's peaceful, it's beautiful. I'm going to head downstairs. I'm going to see you under the house. So super excited. What the size that we've seen upstairs is pretty much, well, it's exactly the same size as we have downstairs on the ground level. Now, we have 2 electric doors. I'm not very good at either navigation or remotes, but even I managed to get them to open. So we have got masses of space for cars, machinery, boats, and of course you would have seen the two driveways. So again, anybody coming to visit, you know, you'd easily get 2 cars that side, 2 cars that side, plenty of space on the property frontage. But come on in. We've got a couple of doors here that we can actually walk into if you just want to come in under the stairs. But as a first impression, oh my goodness. Now, we spoke about just getting into the little fine details. The property's got solar power, so running your electricity is going to be so much easier. More importantly, so much cheaper, and the little electric box is just here. Remember, inspections from the privacy of your own home. So that's the electrical solar system here. We have got steel up above. We have got steel posts, and as I said at the beginning, a couple of times now, we've actually got hardy board, which is like a fibre cement sheeting. So in terms of building maintenance, it is just really small, beautiful, great big concrete area. Look at this. This is big. You could easily get a motor home in here, and you could easily get 2 cars, maybe even 3 little baby ones. And of course, a work shed if you're working from home, or if you're a builder, or if you have got lots of hobbies. This part of the underside of the house is just brilliant. Now, this was the area here that we spoke about where you can come in under the stairs. So we have got a nice easy latch door and a nice easy latch door there. So if you were working from home, And this is such a big deal at this point in time. You could actually have people come to your house, main living area upstairs, and you would not have to worry about that privacy, if you like, being taken away from you. Now, this takes us back out into the back garden, so we'll go there and have a look in a little bit. But we have the other garage up here, which was the other remote sliding door, not a sliding door, a little remote garagey door just there. This is the laundry, and we have a separate toilet. So have a quick look here. Plenty of space in the laundry. We've got dryers, we've got washers, great big double stainless steel sink, separate toilet, which is just really handy if you've been out in the garden. But this room in here, now you'll notice it's got a fly screen. And on the outside of the door, the other side, it's got a fly screen. So come on in. This is currently being used as a gym. It could have been an original bedroom, an original music room, but it was actually set up as a commercial kitchen, a council approved commercial kitchen. And we've actually left the sink and the utility in place. Very easy to remove if you don't want it. But if you had an art studio, if you did pottery, or if you actually wanted to be cooking stuff from home, that is absolutely fabulous. So let's take a look through here. Back into the central area. Now, cupboards. You're going to say, Angela, oh my goodness, why on earth are we focusing on a cupboard? You're losing it. This is a cupboard with a difference. Where else have you seen, come on through, a storage room with an air conditioner? So you can have all your dry storage here. You could have electrical stuff in here. You could just have stuff that you want dehumidified, and it is plenty big. Good old solid shelves and plenty of space. And again, a little attention to detail. We've got the hardy board for low maintenance. So brilliant cupboard, don't you just love it? So if you think about it logically, the whole property is set up for larger family, lifestyle family, just really whatever you want it to be, because you have the flexibility excuse me, of the space. So like I said, builders, roofers, if you've got a boat, I'm going on about it because you don't find so many houses with this amount of flexibility. We're going to head out the back and have a quick look at that back garden. So we have this really beautiful low main. Oh, this is nice. You could just imagine sitting here, again, cool, beautiful and cool. Oh, that's nice. And these are the stairs that we've seen from up top. And that's the gorgeous little plants with the sun on them, just heliconias and gingers. And it really is just a beautiful feeling garden, rainforest garden. And there's no water at the moment because we're not in wet season, but we would have little, as I said, seasonal creek just down there. But just take a minute just to come back here, have a look up there. It really is just, it's relaxing, it's gorgeous, it's sparkly, and it's cool. And that's the door there that is currently used as the gym, again with air conditioning. So, bit of a quick detour around the side of the property. This is the back of where the that huge, great big under spot was. We've got a little bit there for our wood. That's where we kept our wood. We've got our gas bottles, and of course everybody always keeps little bits, don't they, at the side of the house. But again, just so that you can inspect from the privacy of your own home. Weatherboard, easy to paint, easy to maintain, and the little beasties don't like cement. Now, veggies or growing little bits, we've got the, oh, look at them. Look at these gingers. They're called beehive gingers because they look like little bees that come out of the top of them. They're beautiful. But we've got plenty of space to put, you know, as you can see here, we're germinating some plants, we're growing some veggies here, and the same over the other side. So it really is just gorgeous. Have a bit of a quick look over there, and then we're going to do a wrap up. I really hope you've enjoyed this little short, slightly extended film for all the right reasons of number 31 Butler Drive in Kuranda. So here we can do just a little bit of a recap. I think first and foremost, we have a beautiful property, magical clean air, and a really pretty rainforest setting. And of course the location at top of the range is second to none. Can you feel that breeze? I'm sure you can. It's absolutely glorious. So, excuse me. The thing that gets it for me with this property is that it feels open, it feels relaxed, and it feels lifestyle-y. So there is just so much flexibility, whether you're a young couple, an old couple, a family, or someone who wants to run a business, or someone who just has lots of staff and you need a place to actually store it, you know, under the house, as we've seen. So we've got our 3.5 kVA solar, so all the air conditioning units can run comfortably all year round, and you really don't have to worry about that power bill. And talking about power, I forgot to let you know that downstairs, or the property actually has three-phase electricity, three-phase power, which means that if you've got big tools or you need to run some sort of machinery workshop, it's all there for you. And of course, a pre-approved previous commercial kitchen with all the sink and the utilities intact, but low maintenance. We have hardy board cement sheathing that looks like weatherboard. We have a steel structure, we have concrete slab, and we have of course that really gorgeous, impressive entrance. So it is just, it's just got something for every single member of the family, and of course that beautiful seasonal creek down the back. So give me a call, Angela Martin, 0403 788 187, or visit the website AngelaMartin.TV. Watch this film as many times as you need to feel as if you've gotten a really good inspection. And if you have any questions, you give me a call so that you can buy with confidence. I look forward to chatting with you.